The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is Samsung's latest attempt at a clamshell foldable. This time, the Galaxy Z Flip can close flush, eliminating the gap that existed with previous models. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 also has a much more powerful processor than earlier models, among other changes. So hey everyone, I am Ayosh, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. Samsung has now presented its 5th generation clamshell foldable, which debuts alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 5, as well as the Galaxy Tab S9 and Galaxy Watch 6 series. According to Samsung, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 measures 165.1 at 71.9mm or 85.1mm at 71.9mm when closed. Hence, it is roughly as large as its predecessor, with a 187 grams official weight and 6.9mm thickness maintained as well. However, Samsung's revised hinge mechanism allows the Galaxy Z Flip 5 to close flush, which reduces its thickness from 15.9 to 17.1 mm when closed to 15.1 mm. Additionally, Samsung has moved to a 3.4-inch cover display which operates at 720x748 pixels with a 60 Hz refresh rate. By contrast, the device's foldable display is still a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display that outputs at 2640x1080 pixels with a 1:120 variable refresh rate. Likewise, this year's Galaxy Z Flip retains 10MP selfie, 12MP primary, and 12MP ultra-wide-angle cameras. The battery capacity remains unchanged too at 3,700 mAh, as does its 25 ABU peak wired charging speed. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is also only IPX8 certified and has 8GB of RAM, either with 256GB or 512GB of storage, plus a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chipset. By default, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is available in cream, graphite, lavender, and mint color options. However, Samsung reserves blue, green, gray, and yellow colors as online exclusive options. As always, Samsung promises 4 major Android updates and a 5th year of security patches. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 starts at €1,199 with 256GB of storage and increases to €1,319 in the Eurozone. With that being said, Samsung is offering various promotions at launch, such as free storage upgrades and price reductions on other products. Please see Samsung's website for more details. Now that the Galaxy Z Flip 5 can close flush, do you think this will make it more appealing to consumers? Why or why not? Do let us know your thoughts about it in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.